To use the link provided to find out when solar attenuation will affect your remote site or group of sites, using the link provided, select the satellite from the list. We operate in KU band, and you can enter your antenna size. Most antennas are 1.2 or 1.8 meter. This will automatically fill in the rest of the data that you see. This solar attenuation is for the spring season. After you have that data entered, you can simply double-click on the map. Once that's selected, you can scroll down and locate the dates and times in UTC as well as local time at that remote site. If you have any questions, you can contact our Network Operations Center at 262-248-9600, prompt 1.